Okay, so it's harvest week here, first week of October, and you can see over here I've got some of my corn, beans, and squash. Here's some beans, and here's some squash here. I got a nice little pumpkin, and this is a like a squash here, and here I've got a bunch of different kinds of corn. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna open this Class Gym corn and see what it looks like. Okay, here's a little bit of that. Wow, very exciting. Look at that. Very shiny and all different kinds of colors, and I like it. Let's try another one. This one's a little smaller, but let's see what we get. Oh, wow. Kind of a little turquoise blue one there. All right. Here's a little tiny one. And these are really small, as you can see. I mean, my hand is... oh, wow, look at this. It's kind of a pink. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is really something. All right, we got more. This one's a little bigger here. Gotten a little bit out of this one already. This one's kind of a bluish green. That's a nice one. Nice little blue-green there. See those up close? Yeah, look at that. All right. We can put these over here. Got a couple more. There's one here. Wow. There's another blue-green one. Got silk off of there. Oh, wow. A little bigger than I thought. Very nice. Look at the little pink ones on there. Very pretty. These ones, I don't know what happened there. Alright, let's try this one here. And there's another one. Look at that. Wow. Lots of blue and pink, green. Very nice. Alright. I'll try one of these. These are supposed to be turquoise, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. Oh, wow. Let's see, this is a different kind of corn, but very interesting colors on this one. Yeah, there we go. So, let me try this one here as well. Yeah, this one's in bad shape here. It didn't pollinate very well. Yeah. Anyways, so you can see over here all the nice little Class Gym corns that I got today in our little harvest going on. It's been a lot of corn recently, so there we go.